Hi, my name is Engineer Udeh Chinedu, also known as a Solar Ninja. I'm a solar engineer based in Africa, Nigeria to be precise. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Here on this YouTube channel, you'll be exposed to videos on how to design your solar system, solar safety tips, solar investment tips, how not to be defrauded by unprofessional solar installers, how to differentiate between a professional and a non-professional, what solar system is, how to know the best solar equipment there in the market. You'll be exposed to a different solar configuration, how to know the best solar system for you with respect to your budget, your area, the season in which the solar is being installed. Stay tuned. It promises to be loaded with value. I'll be dropping video every week on this channel. Endeavor to click the subscribe button and also the notification bell to be notified every single time each video is being posted. Stay tuned. Thank you.